Possible causes of the low voltage lighting issue can include a short circuit, overloading, voltage spike, faulty fixtures, wiring issue, temperature issues, and power quality. Firstly, check for any exposed wires or loose connections that could create a short circuit, because this can cause excessive current flow, frying the terminals. Secondly, ensure that the load connected to the transformer does not exceed its rated capacity, since overloading can strain the transformer, leading to failure. Thirdly, investigate any sudden voltage surges or spikes that can damage electrical components, including transformers, and check if there has been any recent power outages or surges. Fourthly, examine each fixture to rule out any issues, although it is unlikely that a faulty fixture with an internal short circuit could cause problems with the lighting system. Fifthly, scrutinize the wiring between the transformer, fixtures, and dimmer for any damage or loose connections, as weak or exposed wires can cause intermittent power loss or dimming. Sixthly, verify that the transformer and fixtures are adequately ventilated and not exposed to excessive heat, as high temperatures can damage electrical components. Seventhly, assess the incoming power supply for any irregularities, because poor power quality, such as voltage fluctuations or harmonics, can adversely affect electrical equipment. Consider these steps to troubleshoot low voltage lighting. Firstly, inspect the wiring. Check for any loose connections, exposed wires, or shorts. Secondly, test the transformer. Use a voltage meter to measure the output voltage of the transformer. If it is significantly lower than expected, the transformer may be faulty. Thirdly, test the fixtures. Disconnect each fixture one by one and observe if the dimming issue persists. This will help isolate any problematic fixtures. Fourthly, check power quality. Contact the power provider to check for any voltage fluctuations or harmonics that could be affecting the lighting system. Fifthly, monitor temperature. Measure the temperature of the transformer and fixtures to ensure they are not overheating. If troubleshooting does not resolve the issue, consider seeking professional assistance and contact a qualified electrician to inspect the system thoroughly. Be aware that high voltage systems can be dangerous, so always take appropriate safety precautions and consult qualified professionals for repairs or troubleshooting.